This is my first time in home sense, y'all. I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Like I mentioned before, I'm in home sense, and I freaking love this store. Like, I wish I found out about this store sooner, cause it's like really, really nice in here. And I know it's a part of like the Home Goods family or branch or whatever. But I think this store actually have more stuff than Home Goods. Say hey, Madison. Hey, Madison. Say hey. Say hey, Madison. Say hi. Y'all see me vlogging and have this shit all up in my camera. So I'm now in Home Goods, and as you can see, Madison's asleep. So the hand that I have her in is the same hand with the camera, and the other hand is pushing the cart. Super mom, right? Ooh, look at those pillows. $100 for what? I think not. Y'all, these are so cute. I have an obsession with baby pink. It's crazy. What do you want to do? So yeah, I decided to come outside because it's 73 degrees and I have no reason to be in the house. So yeah, I'm just sitting on my back porch, you know, taking in the scenery and the cool breeze. Like, it's not super hot, but it's nice. And I also brought my Target bag out here because your girl went to Target again after I told myself I wasn't gonna go in like a month. And this bag, I didn't buy anything from Sephora. I just put some stuff in there so I could like separate the stuff. And when I went to Home Goods, I honestly just left with one item. And I didn't feel like going home so soon, so I went to Marshall's and I picked up some stuff. And the Target stuff that I'm about to show you guys, I went to Target the day before, but I didn't vlog that. But I'm gonna show you guys now what I got from Target. And this is a bunch of skincare something. So I got this e.l.f. Keep Your Balance toner. So I also got this daily hydration moisturizer. I think I have this one already. I do have it already. I started using it and it's really nice on the skin, and I love how it smells. So yeah, I also got this gentle peeling exfoliant. This is what it looks like. I got this vitamin C serum, whatever you want to call it. This shit don't want to get out. Anywho, yeah, this vitamin C serum. Also got this nourishing night cream. So this is what this one looks like. And I also got this hydrogel under eye mask. And I do have a few already. I didn't even show that in the last haul because they were in the fridge and I totally forgot about it, but I got some more. I haven't started using them yet, but yeah. I also got this Health Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. I got me another cleansing brush. Do I actually need it? No. This is the Oil Control Pink Powder Mask. Ooh, this is so pretty. And I got a Sony Cashet silicone brush. I guess it's a brush cleaner, but it plugs in. And I also got this micro needle roller. It's for the face, so yeah. And I got a bunch of masks, like charcoal mask, detox mask, and this one is a Soothe and Calm mask, and it's by BioRepublic. This one got chamomile, aloe vera. It soothe, restore, and combat irritation. And I also got the Bella Professional Detoxifying Intense Black Peel Mask. So I got 4 of them. What else I got? Oh, and for this one I got 2. Anyway, shall we continue? So I got this Real Techniques brush set, and it's just 4 brushes: contour, detail, buffing, and foundation brush. And I got this Viet 3-in-1 ready to use wax strip. So yeah, that's basically everything that I got from Target. And I also got me a pajama set. So these are the items that I got from Marshalls, and don't mind the Sephora bag. I was about to say Starbucks. I don't know what I'm thinking about Starbucks. I got a whole bunch of clothes for Madison, and they're currently in the wash at the moment. But I picked up this Body Bar Detox charcoal bath bar, and I started using it, and it's so good, like so good. Like, my skin feels so soft, and it says it detoxify, exfoliate, and moisturize the skin. But one thing though, I really hate the smell. Like, I'm not really fan of the smell. The smell is absolutely disgusting, but I'm gonna put my nose aside and still use it because it's bomb. And I picked up 4 of them. And also at Marshalls, I saw that they have e.l.f. products. This is a daily face cleanser. It didn't really come in a box or anything. It was just like this, but hey. And the other one I got is the Pore Clearing Glitter Peel Off Mask. You know when you go into the cashier and you see those little miscellaneous things that you really don't need it, but because they're there, you just, you know, want it. So I saw this, and my favorite color is pink. Basically, it's a container to hold like drink, like Red Bull, for example. And I'm a Red Bull drinker, so I'm excited to use this. And also, looking at it right now, I might just use it as a damn cup, okay? And I'm about to go buy me Red Bull so I can try it out. So I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys that. So here's Madison's chair. It's so stinking cute, and there's freaking dirt on it. But yeah. And this cushion didn't even come with the chair. It was like in this puppy chair thing, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna take it. So today was basically a productive day. All I did was wash and clean, and I'm not even done washing. Like, I still got some clothes to fold. I dread folding clothes. And I have like one more load to do. It's currently 11:17 at night, and I'm just eating my dinner. So I'm just here, you know, watching Aaliyah's vlog. Maybe I'll finish laundry tomorrow, like folding them. And I also got my Red Bull because I told y'all that I wanted to try it out. But I don't know if I mentioned that the purpose of this thing is to keep the drink cold. Yeah, it keeps it cold for 12 hours. I know for a fact that's not true, but we're going to take their word for it. And it's nice that I don't have to hold the cold drink. So I think this was actually a good buy. I know y'all probably going to be in the comments like, Shakera, what the fuck? So guys, I'm getting vaccinated today, and I legit just scheduled my appointment like a couple minutes ago. It's currently 3:30 and my appointment is at 5:30, and I was so lucky because I've been trying to find appointments for probably like 3 weeks now. I had to call 2 CVS. One CVS didn't have any availability. She told me she'll call me back if someone cancel their appointment or if they have leftovers. And the other CVS told me they have a long freaking waiting list and they have to go on the site to see if any other CVS is available. Bitch, tell me why when I went on the site, the same CVS that told me they have a long waiting list, they have fucking availability. Not 1, but 3 slots. Like, bitch, why the fuck you lied to me? Like, I'll really appreciate if she just told me that she's fucking lazy and didn't want to do her job. Because at the end of the day, that's what it boils down to. I'm getting the Moderna and I'm nervous yet excited. So I'll check back in with you guys. I'll probably take you guys along with me. Y'all, where the fuck I'm going with house slippers? So now I'm late and I have to
You've been late.
I gotta confirm my appointment 15 minutes before. Y'all, it's like 86 fucking degrees outside. Like, I need something to do. I need a hookah lounge, I need the beach, I need a water park, something. Something. You don't hear me, guys. Let's try again. Something.
You on icy?
Bright.
Do you want it in the left or right arm?
Left arm.
528.72. Your next appointment is June 16, 12:30 p.m. It says, okay?
Okay.
This is yours. You can have a seat right behind you. I'll be right out.
Alright. So she gave me this vaccine record card. It just has my name, date of birth, and the type of vaccine I'm taking.
Just keep the arm relaxed. Okay, you're all set. You just have to sit here for 15 minutes. We have to watch you, okay?
Okay. I'm just gonna set my timer. Because knowing me, the time's gonna pass. So 15 minutes. So the 15 minute has passed and I'm hanging out. But I did get the mail. Yeah, I got this. This was the only one that looks cute. Everything else was just got me a rebel. And I got this ear jewelry. I only want it for this hoop. I don't really want nothing else. And I feel okay, I'm not feeling woozy or anything. Or maybe it's a bit too soon to tell. But I'll definitely let you guys know later or tomorrow. I haven't been to IHOP in so long.
Okay, let me get this sausage.
And I'm like super hungry and I'm excited to eat. I already got my orange juice and I just placed my order. So hopefully it don't take 10 years to bring my food. And Madison is asleep. I was gonna order her something, but she's asleep and I don't really want to wake her up. Can you believe I'm eating all this by my damn self? So this is a Western omelet, some bacon, and I freaking love this sausage. He got that crusty ass sausage over there. I hate that sausage. And I got some avocado.
It comes with it.
Well, you should have told her you don't want it. So I finally made it home and it's been a week since I've picked up this camera. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I haven't posted in a week also. And I think the last clip you guys saw was when I got the vaccine. And I told you guys I was gonna tell you about the side effects if I was if I had any, or you know. But when I got home, it wasn't really much. Like my hand was sore, not sore to the point where I couldn't move it. And I kind of did like the soreness. Like, I'm so sad that it's gone now. But I did love the soreness. I was touching it, you know, playing with it. Even when medicine was touching it. Like, it hurt, but it felt so good. I know, I'm weird. Don't judge me. But yeah, the soreness was for about 2 to 3 days. That's it. But one thing though, I think this vaccine did trigger my depression, because that's why I haven't posted in a week. Like right now, I'm still not in the best mood. I don't know if you could tell based on how I'm talking or just like in my face, but I'm honestly just not feeling great. And like for those of you who don't really know, well, I've never really spoke about this on my channel, but I do suffer from depression. I don't really like to talk about it because sometimes people don't have the answers that you want. Like the way how they respond is not how you want them to respond. So I'll just keep it to myself. I just been in bed watching Netflix, taking care of Madison, seeing Madison every day. She actually put a smile on my face, no lie. So that's what's been getting me through. But even today, like for the entire week, I've been saying to myself, like, I need to get out of the house and go somewhere. So today, Madison had her doctor's appointment, and I told her father, like, you know, let's go out for breakfast, all of us. So that's where we're just coming from, and it was kind of refreshing. I had a great meal, even though the waitress pissed me the fuck off. I don't know, like, instead of laying in bed, moping around, not doing anything, I'm gonna try. But it's really, really hard. Like, I haven't felt like this in so long. Because, like I said, I do suffer from depression. And, like, there's little things that I do to cope. I don't know for a fact if it's the vaccine that did that. But besides that, the vaccine was great. So, my second dose is in June. I think June the 16th. So, yeah. But, if you've reached this part in this vlog, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly appreciate all the love and support. I know I don't really tell you guys that much, but I honestly do. And to some people, you might think my vlogs are boring, but to be honest, like, my life is not lit, okay? I'm a first-time mom, and my life wasn't lit before I had a child. And it's definitely not gonna be lit now. So if you think my videos are boring, there's always other people to watch. Like there's lit people like Aaliyah or Kyra, Brianna, or if you want smaller content creator, I have this girl called A Sip of Moscato. She's super, super lit. I love her so much, and I know she's gonna see this. In case you were wondering why Shakera didn't post or where have I been, that's why. I bet you've been depressed over here. I also want to film my hair video, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that done today based on how I'm feeling, but I just need to do something. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. This wasn't really a lit ass vlog, or it wasn't nothing much to it, but I really do appreciate if you still watch it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.